so we're moving along nicely, and I want to add another column to my table here, the number of returns. So not only if the customer ID or customer returned a product, but how many times if so. So we'll return them out, we'll double click it, let's change the color to the color we want, and the function we'll be using is CountIf. Explain this CountIf, that's for a range. This is basically where I'm going to be counting a specific criteria or question. And the second thing it asks for is the criteria, the question, the condition. So in our players example table, we'll do CountIf if in the players column, and where in players table the number column, if it equals to 10. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 times we have 10, it will return the number 3. CountIfs works similarly. It just adds a second condition to the first one. So you have one criteria range, one condition, and a second criteria range and a second condition. Let's see how it works. We have our table. We have the first condition is in the numbers column that the number equals 10. And the second condition or criteria is in the country column that the country equals Brazil. So the first condition it goes to is, does the number equal 10? Yes. Then it goes to the country column and checks if it's Brazil. It's not. The second one is 10. Here's the second 10, and we have Brazil. The third 10 we have on the list is not Brazil in the country column, so the answer that we will be returned to is 1. Let's implement this in our Excel file. We'll do equals CountIf. The range, we have to go to the returns worksheet, and we highlight the customer ID. Then we go back to the customer's worksheet, and we see, is our criteria, does it equal my customer ID? As we can see, the numbers we've received are either 0, 1, or 2, meaning each customer returned a product from 0 to 2 times. Okay, we've covered all that, and on to the next video.